let's take a look at the new sliding doors by Wanzl. Marcel, take us through.
Yes, of course. This is our brand new sliding door. So it's not a swivel arm, so we have our sliding doors gliding into our houses. You can see it. Let's go through it. So here you can see we have also our monitoring on the inside and on the outside. You can see it. The radar is inactive, and you can also push the glasses into the housing. And slowly comes back.
So you could get back outside.
Right.
Okay.
So here the sensors are detecting me.
And if you want to just leave, that's not possible. There will be an alarm.
Right. There's an alarm. Also an acoustic alarm, not just the visible, also an acoustic.
Okay. And I can imagine now that you don't have the swivel arms anymore, you have more space, right?
Right, yeah. And also you can look through the whole system, yeah. It not works, looks like a barrier for the customer, so he can look through the whole shop.
Okay, and here you could put branding on the sides as well. And
right, you could branding on the sides, like here, we do it here. Or you could also put metal plates in here and a nice foil on the metal plate.
Perfect. So, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Marcel, I think I'm also going to come inside now.